In this video, I'm going to show you how you can retweet on Twitter with a comment on your phone. So I'm going to show you step by step how you can do this, and it's actually quite easy. So all you need to do is find a tweet that you want to retweet, of course. So let me just go with this one. Now next up, you want to click on the retweet icon, which is right there. And then once you do that, you'll see retweet with comment, which is right there, okay? So that's exactly where you need to click, of course, and then you can add a comment. So I can put in whatever I want to. Now, once you're done doing that, all you need to do is click on the retweet button right there, the top right corner. And once you do that, you have just retweeted a tweet with your own comment. As you can see right there, it's right there with my comment and then the tweet. And that's how you can retweet on Twitter with a comment on your phone. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that. Let me know in the comments down below if it works and if you have any questions. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed and have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.